last week was so busy, so I had no time to do anything at all. So I'm going to take this time of the day. I'm going to do a little bit of self-care. I'm going to bring you guys with me. I'm just going to get like a something called dip. I'm just going to get it done on my natural nails. It's going to be really, really short. So I'm not getting anything long. My natural nails done, but, and then put the dip powder on top. And I'm going to get my toes done, but I'm just going to do the acrylic on the toes. And maybe do a little pedicure, but today I'm just going to relax and just do a little self-care because this week was rough. This week I was super, super busy, morning straight to evening. So I said that I'm going to take this time out today, take this little hour and a half out today and get my, just do a little self-care, you know? So I'm going to see you guys in, okay? So yeah, guys, I am back at the Royal Nail Bar. I'm just going to do my nails and my feet today. I have an appointment for 9:30. Yeah, Kristen. Yeah. Yes, this is different colors here. I'm trying to choose. I'm gonna get like a natural look. You have your nail bed is weak, I recommend these because what happens is they just use your natural nails and they put on like a dip substance to the top. You could get a design or however you want to get it done, but it allows the nails to grow naturally. So I'm just trying to get my nails catch back because honestly, I trying to take a break off wearing acrylic nails because my nails is toe up from the floor up right now. Like my nails are finished, like done, finito. So I'm just trying to like treat it and let it grow back. So I'll be able to. So right now I'm just starting from scratch to be honest. So, and believe me, let me tell you, when you wear those acrylic nails and you miss and hit them, bang them on something, you'll be hurting for days. Like it's too much. So, and the type of work I do, I said, let me just try to let my nails catch back naturally. And, going forward for right now, I'm just getting my natural nails done and getting them really short. So I recommend these for people who have like, if your natural nails are like mine's, like they are weak, they are really short, and they need treatment, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. I want to thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.